Hello and welcome to the 10th Microsoft Visual Basic 2008 tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to, it's basically what I'm using right here. You can call it a tool strip, a menu bar. It's all the same thing, it's just drop down buttons that will allow you to access parts of the application. So we're going to use a tool strip to create a new project. So create a new project and name it, just call it tool strips. And then let's say you have your application, let's just add some random stuff here. We'll add some tab control. We'll just add a button, a checklist box. We'll add a label, and it doesn't really matter this part, but say you have your application right here, and then you're like, well, I want people to be able to use part of my program by using a tool strip. So scroll down in the toolbox section and it says tool strip. Just click anywhere on your form and it'll add it. The default layout or render mode of the tool strip is this little blue one. I don't really like it, so I'm going to change it to system. It's neater, it matches this. So once you have it set up, just click the little arrow and click drop down button. Sorry, let's delete that. Click the little arrow and click label, and then right click and convert to drop down button. And then for the text on this label, we're going to change it to file. Okay, so this little file here is going to be it's going to be like the file that's in any program, and we're going to be able to add little options here. We're not going to add any in advance just yet, but we're just going to see how it goes. So in the first bit of text, we're going to type help. Second bit of text, we're going to type exit. There we go, that'll do. Okay, so once you've added help and exit to your menu bar, we'll double click help. Now I know you can create different forms and link them, but I've got a planned tutorial for that in a later part. So right now we're just going to use a message box to show some help. We'll just type messagebox.show. This is the help form. So basically what this is saying is, when you click this label, it's gonna have a message box saying this is the help form, and then we can add one to the exit. This is a function in Visual Basic, me.close, and then two empty parentheses. So when you click the exit label, it's going to close the form. So we'll run that and test it. It's the best application ever. So we'll go to File, Help, and I'll just say this is the help form, and then we'll go to File and Exit, and it'll close the application. So you can play around, you can use these to act as buttons if you want to, for any things you want in your application, in your tool strip. Just play around with it. If you have any questions, if you want to know how to do anything with the tool strip, just leave a comment. If you have any suggestions about how I make the tutorials, leave a comment, and if you have any requests, make a comment too. So just rate the video 5 out of 5 and subscribe to the channel.